Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngethemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngicela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase ucindezeleke ibhathini usubscribe nje. Akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke limnyama-ke leli khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba ezintsha-ke nje engizokulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke manje-ke usungaphuthi lezi ndaba ongawenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezeleke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje i-MK-ke simemezelile-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke ubaba uJacob Zuma-ke laphana-ke upresident we-MK-ke uzobe addressa-ke i-nation laphana-ke kusasa-ke ngo-12 emini-ke laphana-ke makufundela-ke le ncwadi ekhishwe nguye-ke umkhonto wesizwe-ke laphana-ke ifundeka ithi media alerts. President Jacob Zuma to address the nation. Event National Media Conference. Speaker President Jacob Zuma, President of Umkhonto weSizwe. Date Thursday 22 August 2024. Time 12 o'clock. Location the Capital Empire 177 CNR Rovina and Empire Place Sandhurst. Open view. President Jacob Zuma will address the nation at a pivotal media conference regarding the current political situation and ongoing developments in South Africa. The president and the leadership of the party will be covering broad strategic organization issues that are vital to the nation discourse and the future trajectory of the party in the South African political landscape. Media attended journalists interested in attending must RSIVP by the 21 August 2024 at 4 o'clock. Accreditation details and venue specific will be provided upon confirmation of attendance. RSIVP inquiries. Tlamulo Ndlela, Head Media and Communications. MK laphana-ke bimemezela ukuthi Jacob Zuma-ke laphana-ke uzowenza-ke laphana-ke address-ke i-nation-ke atshele abantu-ke ngesimo-ke esenzakalayo-ke kwezepolitiki laphana-ke aveze-ke nokuningi-ke laphana-ke kusasa-ke mhla zi-22 August 2024 ngo-12 emini-ke laphana. Mina ngicela laphana ukuthi ungene kuma-comment section-ke ufishe uvo lwakho ukuthi nawe ucabangani. Nje akubizi imali kumahhala nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ngizokulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke.